gonna work that way. And then I'm gonna do this green. You can see that is give me a little bit of the effects of the chrome, the foil look, but it's not too much. If you want more, you can add it more on. I think it looks beautiful by itself as well. I didn't want to do too much. Oh, I like this color. This green color is give you a little bit effects of just a little bit enough, but not too much. Great. That's all I want. Don't want too much. So great. So I just want a little background. But if you want more, you can always press it more and open the big piece and press them down and give it more of effects of the foil. I'm going to using condensed glue gel. If you're first time tuning in and first time using our condensed glue gels, it might be feel really thick for you, which is you can feel that it's really thick density. And don't afraid of to, I'm using my twin tip brush on the other end, and don't afraid of to apply and blend condensed glue gels nicely. Something is stick in my, okay. Just blend it nicely and not yet, I'm not keying yet. I am going to apply the no white top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. Facebook, see okay? Can you take that one? It looks so dark in here though. It's hard to see. Instagram, can you see okay? It looks... Okay, next. Doesn't focus at all. Okay, so the purpose of the no white top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels, it will help to grab the base of crystals so fast and easy. So it helps it sucks right in place without worry about it's gonna coming off. Or if you worry about if later you have to put the top coat on and it's not gonna... Okay. Oh, stunning. I'm gonna try to show as much as possible. Looks so stunning. You can do, this is one of simple way to do, but you can do so many with this. And I am getting this from my, basically is collectible mix bag Easter. And also is really stunning, is so much fun. They are the Easter treasure box is going on. I think just launched out on Saturday, and so many people loves it and request for it. So because you asked for it, here you go. So don't forget to check it out because it's limited time and limited quantity, I think, because they make it special for Easter only. And if you are not sure that, you know, the different crystal, or if you're overwhelming with pick out the what you're gonna using for springtime coming, you should check that one out. So like if you get that treasure box, will give you a lot of theme and idea for your springtime and Easter. It's not only it's just Easter, it's like a springtime as well. But I'm using it, I'm going to show you, I get this design out from my Easter mix bag. I'm going to show you just minutes when this one is being here. And you just literally see me place them together. I just need one more frame from this collection frame that I have it here. I love to working with this because it's really makes more like dimensions for the nails. Okay, I'm just put this one right here, and I love the little backgrounds as well. That's it. Now I am going to using my beads. You can place them everywhere you want, but here's a tip and trick for pro. When you're gonna place them and where you're gonna place them. Make sure you can place them right between two crystals. It really creates a really stunning looks. And make it looks like a jewelry, a piece of jewelry. The client's wearing it instead of just like a pie of all the crystal on it. So you can do it the same with any type of crystal, just like a glow in the dark, I think. So stunning. So here's a tip and trick for you that how you can price the clients fair for you and your clients. If you're just doing a crystal only and no beads and no frame, then it depends on salon location. Like say if you're doing it at the salons for the price of $15, because a lot of like crystals and it takes time for you to design the look. But if you want, you can ask the clients, you can consult with the clients. If the clients would like to get beads and more dramatics, then it's gonna be like $20 to $25 per nails. And also, again, it's really depend on your salon location. I just sharing and suggest, because if you can ask the clients if you want just a crystal only, or you want to have the also dress it up, you know, nicely like jewelry. So it's the clients who understand it, and they will have an option to choose which one you want to go with. It just, we have a lot of questions to ask, how you charge and how should they charge and how much should they charge. So as long if you see any design that you're asking for the questions about that, don't hesitate to ask, okay? Because I can always give you a preference for your salon, and also depend on salon location as well. See how it turned out really nice. See that how I place my beads right between of two crystals. It's so excited to be here on Monday. Usually you see me on at like a nighttime, like when everybody get off work, but today I got to see everyone in the morning. Well, sometime we do it during a daytime as well, so then we can get to see you all. But if you are like having some free time, don't hesitate to check out all the different videos that we had. We'll have it from really basics to the advanced, and we also have all different designs, and every time we have a different contents for our live tutorials, and some of them are really stunning, and some of them are we combine so many different techniques together. So you can see that I picked quite few of them. Oh, you guys, you have to experience it yourself, because it's kind of blinking my eyes right now, and I have a hard time seeing it now. Okay, I can't see. I'm gonna have to move it close up. This is so beautiful, and it's really depend. I have done a lot of different nails special for all of you who is doing a simple nails, like really elegant nails, and this is like have a little bit dramatic for like springtime. I really like it. But also it depends on your clients, you know, like sometimes the clients just want really conservative, so then you can do it less. But I really like it. Okay, so I am going to cure under the LED lamp for about 60 seconds, and then we'll go back and double secure it with precision glue. And for all of you who ask so many questions, who have so many DM, oh, sorry, I missed one beads right here if you pay attention on it. I just seeing it now because it was a little bit far away. I think I got it good. Okay, great. I think I got it good. Just the one right here. And how we create the how we create a different look of, how we create a different look of how we create the looks of okay, I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. Okay, great. So let's move on to the next one. And I'm showing the different designs. We'll move into the next one right here. Let's do it. Next one, we wanna do it with the dragon scale, but for breaking in between, we wanna do a blossom gel, so you see a difference first. First of all, I am going to cure. Done with the keying, and I am going to double secure it with precision glue. And for a lot of you were asking what I'm using it with to adhere the crystal, here is the tip and trick. I'm using a 3-step method. The first one, I'm using condensed glue gels, and the second step, I'm using a no wipe top coat, and apply a technique float on the top of the uncured condensed glue gel. And place your crystal the way you wanted it and cure for 60 seconds. And after that, I am going to using precision glue to double secure. Normally, you're probably gonna be done. And the purpose of we doing a top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. So when you're done, like actually it's done already, so you don't have to even worry to go top coat. And then do not put the top coat on the top of the crystal, as it's gonna destroy completely the shines and the sparkle of your crystal. Your crystal will look like a lot of like shiny. Same thing, you were never gonna put top coat on your diamond rings, would you? Or the gemstone? I wouldn't, because it's gonna destroy completely the look of it. That's how it's beautiful, because of the cut and the shines. So using this to really go into, each time I squeeze in, I just squeeze just a little bit of mouth. And then also, I usually doing a little exam right here. Check it first, and then wherever spot you feel scratchy, then you're gonna squeeze it in. And before that, before I put in the lamp for about 60 seconds, I am going to using same twin tip brush, blend the excess glue, so then it looks really nice and flawless. Sometimes you notice that your crystal, you place them on and it's just like start getting really lumpy. So and then so that's why when after you're done and you're keying it, you're not seeing it anything at all. Okay, great. Key under the lamp for about 60 seconds if you're happy with this.